Assalamualaikum, everybody. So, the hardest part about moving, especially to a foreign country, is getting started, actually packing your stuff.
Yeah, so we've been avoiding that. We've been back for a few months now, and we've just been decluttering the house and getting rid of junk, but we haven't actually started physically packing.
So here we are.
So now we finally have a date this month of when the container is coming that we're gonna pack full of our stuff and send via ocean.
So it's time to get to work.
Here's
how we get started. I don't want to.
Will just lay it down because I guess he doesn't want to participate in this. So.
I hate packing.
All right, I guess I'm on my own. So come with me. We're going to go to the bookshelf. We're gonna start with the schoolroom because the schoolroom is probably the easiest thing. So let's start with the schoolroom. We're gonna start with the bookshelf, and books are expensive, guys. Books are not cheap. So we're going to tackle the bookshelf because we have some books here that we've had since Amina was born, so 9 years, that we just don't want to part ways with. So let's get started. Okay, so I purchased this thing. It's called Tote Scan, and basically your moving boxes, I have one right there, you're gonna take one of these QR codes and you're gonna pop it on the box, and then after you pop it on the box, there's this app, and you scan the QR code, and then I think you can take pictures or make a list of everything that's in that box. So basically when we go to Malaysia, all we have to do is scan the QR code, and then it'll tell me everything that's in that box, so we can just place that box in the room that it's supposed to belong to. It's supposed to make moving a breeze. I don't know if it's gonna be helpful yet, but I'm hoping that it's gonna be really helpful. So let's get started. We're going to bring this box over and just start loading it with books. But they're really meaningful. Like, Amina loves these Guinness World Record books. We love Bluey, we're obsessed. We have the Clear Quran for kids, and they're also quite large. This is one of the first books that Zainab ever read, and was obsessed with this book, Hijabi Colors. So yeah, as you can see, this is not gonna be an easy task, and I feel like this box is gonna be really heavy. So let's just see.
Round blocks.
Did or tape it around the box?
You tape it around here to secure your tape.
Grab some tape. Can you turn that off now?
Whoops.
Okay, so this is what the ground looks like right now. And out of all of this is all garbage. This is what's going, just this box here. And that's toiletries. So yeah, it's a bit of work, isn't it? Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. It is August 5th, and today we are having the biggest launch we've done in like a really long time. Probably the biggest launch we've ever had for Lala Hijabs. So I'm gonna walk you through the process of what that looks like. In the last few weeks, we've obviously been preparing all of our inventory. We are moving from our current warehouse to a massive warehouse, which is going to be our final resting place for Lala Hijabs, and we are going to be saying goodbye to our first ever warehouse. So that's a little bit emotional. And then we did the photo shoot in Dubai, which is fantastic, by our incredible friends, Noor Studios. And I'm just about to go and launch the products on the website because you guys have been waiting so patiently. We're launching 4 dresses, 20 more dolls, restocking a whole bunch of jerseys, and we're launching our first ever 2 printed models. So come with me. We're gonna go to the computer and we're gonna launch these amazing products. And for reference, yeah, I'm still in my PJs. I woke up about 15 minutes ago because Yusuf was up all night as usual. And that's the beauty of owning a business and working from home. You can be in your PJs and it's lovely. This part about our website is you can actually see where all of you are shopping from. I love doing this. Most of this part of the world is asleep right now. It's nighttime, but everybody on this side of the world is up. Okay, so my phone is like absolutely going crazy right now. It's exactly 10 o'clock. So right now is launch time and this number is just creeping up by the second. It is so cool to see how many people actually, oh my God, do you hear the tinging in the background? SubhanAllah, those are, alhamdulillah, those are sales coming through. Okay, my phone is going off. And ever since we started Lala Hijabs 4 years ago, every time we hear that cha-ching sound, it means that there's a sale that came in, and every time it goes off, we say, Alhamdulillah. It's just like, even our kids say it. Even if they hear our phone just go off and make that sound, we always say Alhamdulillah, because it's such a blessing to be able to work from home and to be able to do this and provide products that you guys absolutely love. Alhamdulillah. So thank you guys so much. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for supporting us always. Like, this is just, oh my God, it's a dream come true. Seriously. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's 158 people on the website and we're only 4 minutes. Oh my gosh, the number just keeps going. Alhamdulillah, oh my goodness. I did not expect so many people to be on right away. Like, it's a long weekend, guys, in Canada. It's a long weekend and people, you guys are taking your time out right now to shop with us. I have no words. I actually see where all of you are shopping from right now. Some people even woke up at nighttime to shop with us. Oh my gosh, I could cry. SubhanAllah. You guys are amazing. So this is where we're at so far. This is all books. This is all artwork and keepsakes for the girls. And then we're making some new boxes here. Hello, Yusuf. These boxes are for donation. And these are Will's boxes. So basically all we've done so far is books. What are you doing, buddy? You're holding a bat? You say hi? Hi. And then these bags here are like industrial size garbage bags. And these are my clothes that I'm donating. Yeah, it's a lot of clothes. Hi. Amina.
Good morning. And she still has 100 clothes in her closet.
Yeah.
50. And
My closet yesterday. So
watch this. I have a secret passage.
Zainab's hiding in there. So these clothes, I'm still undecided. I'm not in love with them, but I feel like I need to keep some of them because they're like, I've never even worn this hoodie, I don't think. So I feel bad throwing it away. And I know that Malaysia's warm, so I'm like, do I keep sweaters? I don't know. I'm not sure if I have to keep sweaters. So we'll decide. But this is what I'm down to right now. And I'm hoping to dwindle this down more as well. Okay, so Will's not here to help me finish the video. He is currently at the new warehouse. So we're going to say goodbye. Say bye, Yusuf.
Bye.
And thank you so much for watching, you guys. We hope that you are enjoying this kind of like inside sneak peek as to what we're doing to get ready to move to Malaysia. And I'm sure there will be lots of more videos coming up.